7 days ulam idea part 2, sipo egg. Actually, dapat quail egg yan. Wala akong nabili kaya regular egg na lang. Pritong tilapia with ginisang ampalaya. Bangus Spanish style. Lumpiang sariwa or veggie lumpia with sauce. Tofu kare-kare. Healthy version ng kare-kare yan. Masarap yan. Paksiw na sariwang isda. And lastly, pritong daing na bangus with insaladang talong at mangga. Enjoy your 7 days idea. Follow for more.